So we got a balcony stateroom on the Carnival Valor. This room came with 2 twin beds and it came with a pull-out sofa bed. In the rooms, they come and they put these cute little animals on the bed. So this bed is also a couch, and it can you know, basically fold up into a couch.
Ancient spices, classical spices.
But we just leave it out as a bed because it's comfortable for us. And as you can see, even though it's pulled out as a bed, it still have room like to walk. It's not too closed in or too claustrophobic in here. So it's pretty nice size. So in here, this is just a cabinet where we keep like snacks, candy, whatever we can drink. And then this drawer is the refrigerator. And we just have drinks and cases of water before we got on the ship, and it was in our room when we got on the ship. Laundry, if you needed something steam cleaned or whatever, they will provide that service at a fee. And they have these 3 drawers. I'm not gonna really open, well, this one I just have like sunglasses, and this is where we keep our lanyards, and this is just my medicine bag. The rest is just underclothes. And let me show you into the back. Oh well, while we talking about clothes, this is the closet. It is 3 closets, and we basically just unpacked our clothes and put them into the different closets, so each one of us got our own closet. So that was the bathroom. It's like a shower. It's no tub in here. And you know, they have this where you can hang up your wet clothes. Just attach it over to here, and then you can hang up your wet clothes so they can dry. Okay.
Okay guys, sorry about that. The camera wound up dying, so I had to move on to the next clip, which is of the balcony.
If your food is anything like your music, I suggest you turn it down.
I also wanted to point out that if you have conjoining rooms, the balconies do open up and you will be able to share the balcony with your other family members. Okay you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.